this should not be this good. What's up, my dudes? It's Demi, and tonight we are in the Magic Kingdom because we are finally going to be dining at Tony's restaurant. That's right, this restaurant is notoriously the most hated restaurant in all of Walt Disney World. People say it's the worst restaurant in all of Walt Disney World, and that's why it is taking me so long to actually dine here. And I am super excited to finally get to do this today because I want to know myself, is Tony's really that bad? Well, I'm super excited to bring you guys along and find out together. So now let's just get into it. Let's check out Tony's restaurant in Magic Kingdom and let's go get into some hijinks. Tony's Town Square restaurant is located in the very front of Magic Kingdom, right next to the Town Square Theater where you can meet Mickey Mouse. My reservation is for 8 p.m. and it's coming up in just a couple of minutes. You can see the lights came on because it's starting to get dark, but really quick, just look how pretty sunset is here in the Magic Kingdom. Can't really beat that. Tony's does have indoor and outdoor seating. I'm not sure where I will be sitting. I kind of want to have outdoor just because at 9 o'clock, Happily Ever After starts, and wouldn't that be so cool if we can kind of like, we're not gonna be able to like see it from here, but like maybe we can see like some fireworks from up here and we can definitely hear it, and this is gonna fill up in just a few minutes full of people. This restaurant is themed to Lady and the Tramp. Tony is the guy that serves them their spaghetti and meatballs, and look, you can find their paw prints on the ground. Such a cute touch. You do need to make a reservation for this restaurant. It definitely books up fast because it's an Italian restaurant in Magic Kingdom. But you can try day up or walk up, but it's just not a guarantee. Here is the check-in area. You can also check in on your My Disney Experience app. And they have a little TV in here playing Lady and the Tramp. I'm actually really excited to finally be dining here. It looks so gorgeous in there, but I just wanted to quickly show you right before you go in, besides the cool photos on the wall, you can get some Lady and the Tramp souvenir coins.
We have Lady and the Tramp having spaghetti in the alleyway.
Oh my God, is that adorable?
Yeah.
I can't believe I've never been in here. Much for giving me the tour.
In this little corner, we actually have a hidden Mickey.
There's a hidden Mickey. I see it in the flower. Oh my gosh. Thank you so much. Did it. We got an outdoor table. And you're probably like, how did it get so dark so quickly? Because I had to wait a half hour for the table. They actually offered it to me that it would be quicker to sit out here, and then they were like, we're so sorry, we messed up, and do you still want to wait? Or I was like, yeah, you know, let's do outside anyway. And I'm so happy we did because pretty decent lighting out here for the food. Be able to kind of see Happily Ever After. This restaurant is so insanely pretty, like whatever about the food, like it's so magical in here, and I can't believe it's taking me this long to finally come in. Okay, let's take a look at the menus. First up is the cocktail menu. We have the Little Italy cocktail, limoncello sidecar, and then a sparkling peach cocktail Bellini. We have some wine, sparkling white and red, and some beers. Serve soda and tea and coffee. How cute the menu is. Take a look at the menu. First up is the Tony's garlic bread for the table. It's with roasted garlic butter and Parmesan. We have for appetizers, fried mozzarella. We have Caesar salad, a house salad, caprese, and the seasonal soup. Mains are the new chicken parmesan. We have fettuccine alfredo, today's sustainable fish, the new braised beef short rib, rigatoni alla vodka, classic spaghetti and meatballs, spaghetti and impossible meatballs, and tortellini al forno, and oven roasted shrimp scampi. I also have this drink. It's cotton candy lemonade. It's on the kids menu. I asked my server, do you have any non-alcoholic specialties? And she mentioned this. She said not every server will do this for an adult, but she gave it to me, so thank you to my server, and I'm super excited to try it. I just didn't want an alcoholic beverage. It's like kind of getting late, and I just wanted something good and different, and this is awesome. So it's lemonade with some cotton candy syrup. Oh, that's actually so good. It does taste like cotton candy. And then you get like a little bit of tartness from the lemonade. Wow. That's really good. Thank you so much to my server again. This was so nice. I'm shook. Here are our appetizers. They have arrived. First up is this tower of the garlic bread. and then you pour over that cheese sauce, and it smells so good. You can't even believe how good it smells. Then I had no idea that I was expecting a foot-long mozzarella stick. Oh my goodness, is that a beauty? Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm so hyped right now. This looks so good. Okay, here we go. Oh my God, I'm so hyped. Oh my God, look at that cheese sauce. We gotta try this. Okay, I'm so hyped for this. This looks so good. That is so stinking good. First of all, the cheese sauce is nice and warm. It is so cheesy. It's just pure cheese. And then this garlic bread is nice and buttered and crispy. Oh my God. Oh my, and I want more cheese. It's that good. This should not be this good. Wow, I'm so blown away. Like, so my friend literally said like she would come back just for this garlic bread with this cheese, and I agree. Like, literally, if you don't want anything else, get a. My server even said it too. People are like getting waters and coming and get this because, wow, that is absolutely tasty. That is so good, super shareable, and this is all for me because I'm here by myself, and I get to take all this home with me because I'm definitely not finishing it now. Wow, so stinking good. Wow. All right, let's get a good. Dang, waited too long. This is the problem. I've never had like good cheese pulls ever, but this mozzarella stick looks insane. Dip it in some sauce. It's like vodka sauce. Oh, there was the cheese pull. That's good. And the sauce is good too. It has, she said it's supposed to be like a little bit of a spicy sauce. Not like spicy, but it has a little kick to it, like, you know, like a more of a spicy than a sweet marinara. That's really good. I'm so pleasantly surprised right now. I wish there was more sauce. Like, there's really, let me show you. There's just really not that much to like dip your mozz stick in, especially when it's that big. But other than that, it's good. Like, just cheese is good. There's so much cheese in here. It's nice and warm. This is nice and crispy. Yeah, wow. Pleasantly surprised so far. Wow. Whew. You know, you gotta hand it to Italian food. Bread and cheese. They really nailed it. So simple, yet so wonderful. They're starting to line up for Happily Ever After. It actually starts 9:20, not 9 tonight. Make sure to always check the My Disney Experience app, because that show, like, I feel like that time changes like every day. But it's starting to get full. Again, we're not going to get like a castle view, but maybe we'll see some fireworks from above there, but we'll definitely get to hear the music. Hopefully we'll get to see something. That would be cool. I mean, that's the whole point of doing this video at this time of night.
And they all lived happily ever after. Each of us has a dream, a heart's desire. It calls to us. And when we're brave enough to listen and bold enough to pursue, that dream will lead us on a journey to discover who we're meant to be. All we have to do is look inside our hearts and unlock the magic within.
Wow. So we don't have obviously a good spot as we knew that, but honestly, just getting to hear it is so good, and we get a little peek through the roof there. Obviously, this spot is way better during the day, so you can see parades and cavalcades from your seat. But honestly, like, if you are someone who like just enjoys Happily Ever After and you don't need to actually be right in front, like how I just did this, you're gonna enjoy it because it's really all about the music and, you know, in the moment. And then you get a front row seat of the Stampede leaving Magic Kingdom. Wow. My entree has arrived. This is a brand new menu item, and that pot goes in the item, so if you get this, do not touch it. It is on fire. This is the tortellini al forno. It's Calabrian chili and cheese pasta baked with Italian sausage, peppers, creamy tomato sauce, and mozzarella, currently at $28 with a little arugula with vinaigrette on it. It's huge. I normally would never order like pasta. I always like to do like a meat even at Italian just because this pasta's so heavy, but it has meat in it, and I do love tortellini, and it's new, and it looks so interesting. Let's give it a try. Okay, let's kind of dig around. Let's do a little cheese pull moment. Ah, now that's a cheese pull, my friends. Okay, wow. There's so much stuff in here. It's like a treasure hunt. It's like an Italian casserole, I guess. Oh my God, let's give this a try. Oh dang, that's actually good. I was so worried. I get so worried about red sauce. I mean, it's the same sauce as that one, I think, maybe a little less spiced, but that cheese, I got mostly cheese, but the sauce isn't like that bad. I've had bad red sauce in Disney. If you watched my Enzo's Hideaway video, I'll link it for you here and put in the description box below. That was the worst sauce I've ever had in my life. This isn't like amazing, but it's pretty decent. The tortellini is good. I think this is the same sauce. It does have a little bit of a kick. It is good. It's actually good, and it's really hot, like temperature-wise. Tortellini is cooked really well, and then we have our sausage. Oh, that's probably where we're getting a little bit of the kick too. The sausage is so good. The sausage is very good. It's nice and crispy. It has good flavor. I'm so pleasantly surprised by this, and they give you a lot in here. Like there's so much tortellini underneath, and there was something else though. She just took the menu from me. I forgot what else was in this, but it's so good. It's very sausagey. That's what it is. I'm getting a lot of sausage flavor throughout the whole thing. If you don't like sausage flavor, you're not gonna like this, but I particularly do. And so it's kind of like making it. It's really heavy. I had like a few bites and I want to die. But wow, like pleasantly surprised. And let's just try out this arugula. There's like barely anything on there. Whatever. Also, I found out from my server, I said, why did everyone always say this place is so awful? And she said, it was. And that Disney did surveys, and they actually took their feedback, and they fired all the chefs, like basically almost the entire kitchen staff. So this new chef, I think she said his name was Chef Matt, is fantastic, not only as a staff, but as a chef, and this restaurant is like totally different now. And I'm so glad Disney took feedback. It's like you never know with them, and I think as we saw so far, like this has been a really great evening here. I mean, especially this time of night, and we got like a nice, like not too hot, too humid night, but the fans are going, it keeps us cool, and we have happily ever after, and wonderful staff. Everybody here is so wonderful. Seriously, I've never experienced such incredibly kind staff before, and like at Disney, I say that as well. Like everyone's so friendly here. I'm having such a great time, but we still have to order dessert. Also, it's hard from my particular seat here, but if you were kind of up more, which I can just move up since there's nobody here anymore since I'm closing out this restaurant, we can see Mickey and friends. Say goodbye to everybody. It's Mickey, Minnie's behind the lamp, and Donald, and Pluto. Oh, listen, I know it's like better to get this restaurant during the day for the parades, but I honestly really enjoy listening to Happily Ever After, and now I get to see these beautiful faces. So let's take a look at the dessert menu. Here they have classic cannoli. They also do seasonal cannolis. Like right now they have a carrot cake one. They have gelato, a summer berry tiramisu, which they say kind of tastes like a strawberry shortcake. They have a flourless chocolate cake and a plant-based affogato. So here is my dessert. I just got the classic cannoli. Figured, you know, it's probably the most popular thing people get. And I wanted to see it. I was curious. It doesn't look the most amazing, but let's give it a try. That first bite was so much. That first bite you get all those chocolate chips, and that's like a lot. But the actual cannoli cream itself, good, very tasty. The shell is crunchy. It's a very basic, classic cannoli. One is cannolo. I learned that on the internet. These are cannoli, one, you get it. Anyway, it's nothing like insane, but it's a good cannoli. Personally, I think there's too many chocolate chips in here. I wish there was less, so you can enjoy the cream. It's just like a lot of chocolate. I personally would probably not have dessert here. There's so many incredible snacks in this park, and I've done 1,000 snack videos, so go see them. And you know, so many sweet treats. Like I think I'd rather have like coconut Dole Whip than just cannoli, but it's not bad. Again, it's a lot of chocolate chip, but overall, wow. We've learned a lot tonight here at Tony's. I think it's safe to say that this restaurant has had a glow up, as the children say. And I think I'm really excited about being able to tell everybody this, and that you guys get to see this video. And I think also just like being here during Happily Ever After is really, really cool. It's just, I know it's not the greatest view, but it's nice to hear it. It's nice out here. I had a great night here at Tony's. I'm so surprised, and I would come back here very soon, I think, and try more things. I'm sorry I'm speaking so weirdly. It's just I'm honestly shocked, but I'm happy and very, very full. This was a lot. And I have to tell you, everything that you saw me eat is all I ate tonight. The rest I have to take back. Everything I ate on camera is what I ate, and I'm destroyed. It's all so heavy, and I'm dying, but it was also really good. All right, let me show you the bill. So here is the bill, $67.37. That's after my annual pass holder discount for $7.03. So really not terrible considering we're in Magic Kingdom. We also got to see a little fireworks, hear a little fireworks, had a lot of food, and a lot to take home. Well, my dudes, that was Tony's Town Square restaurant here at Magic Kingdom. Again, great time. Loved it. I want to come back. I want to tell everybody Tony's is different. It's better. Is it the most amazing restaurant? No. Is it awful? No. Is it very good, especially in a theme park? Absolutely. And I think I'm so glad that Disney listened to us and they made these changes, and the staff has a better time now as well, and we all benefit from it, except for the people that had to be let go, which I'm so sorry about that to those people. But the food is great. But I had tonight, again, is it amazing? No, but solid, fine, very good. And that bread, amazing. So good. I'm so full. I'm rambling because I'm so full. But anyway, let me know in the comments, would you come to Tony's now that it has changed? Have you been here prior to the changes? What did you think of it? Have you been here since the changes? What did you think of it? Let me know in the comments below. But anyway, thank you so much for watching. If you did like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification so you don't miss anything that goes in this channel. Follow me on Instagram at Magical Hijinx. Check out the Patreon. Become a patron and get exclusive bonus content, bonus lives, help with trip planning, a free dining guide to Walt Disney World, latest foodies, and so much more. And you'll be helping me to continue bringing you great content like these dining reviews to this channel. And until next time, my dudes, I hope you guys get to some hijinks very, very soon. Bye-bye.